Hey guys, so we're going to talk about how to add fractions with the same denominator and with different denominators. So we will start off with 1/5 plus 4/5. Because they both have 5 as the denominator, we can add them very simply. We're just going to add straight across. So 1 plus 4 is 5, and our denominator stays the same, which gives us 5/5 or 1 whole. If we have 2/4 plus 2/8, gets a little bit tricky. So we do not have like denominators, which means we have to change one of our fractions so that we do have like denominators. The easiest thing to do would be to convert our 2/4 into eighths. So I have to set up my equation. 2/4 equals how many eighths? So think to yourself, what do I have to do to 4 to get 8? Well, I know that 4 times 2 equals 8, and what I do to the denominator, I have to do to the numerator, which means I'm going to multiply this by 2 as well. So 2 times 2 is 4. So 2/4 equals 4/8. So my problem is now 4/8 plus 2/8 equals 6/8. If you have a problem with a whole number in it, so we not only have a whole number, but we also have fractions with unlike denominators. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look and say that fourths are easy to change over into eighths. Therefore, I'm going to change 1/4 into how many eighths? I think to myself, I know I multiply by 2. 1 times 2 is 2. So my new problem is 2 plus 2/8 plus 2/8. The only thing we changed was the 1/4. We converted it to eighths. Now I know that I'm going to have a whole number of 2 plus 2/8 and 2/8 is 4/8. So my answer is 2 and 4/8. Or we could even do 2 and 1/2. I know if I divide that by 4 and this by 4, I get 1/2.